Hello, it's Mrs. Cullen again, and I'm here with our next sound for our read writing lesson. And this sound today is ks, ks. If we look on the other side of the card, there's a picture of a little boy, and he's dressed in all his PE gear because he's doing his exercises. Exercise. Brilliant. And look, he's got his arms up in the air and his legs all put apart so that he can do his exercises. Looks like he's doing star jumps to me. This picture with the instructions helps us to remember how to write the x sound. It says that we need to go down the arm and leg and repeat on the other side. Down the arm and leg and repeat on the other side. Start at the top both times. I'm going to write that on my card. Have you got your pencil and paper ready? Because I'd like you to join in with me if you can. Again, we need to start at the top, as we do with many of our sounds, and we're going to go at a slant. We're doing a slanty diagonal line. We're going to go down his arm and leg and repeat on the other side. We started at the top. We go down his arm and then leg and then repeat on the other side. X. Have you had a go at writing that on your paper? I bet it's much neater than mine. There we go. We put that at the side because it is now time for super speedy sounds. Remember, when you see today's sound, X, I'd like you to say it, shout it a little bit louder so that I can hear you. Just telling me that you know that's today's sound. Off we go. Shh. Z. Ch. X. G. R. Qu. Shh. Well done if you did all of those. Can you give yourselves a hip, hip, hooray? Brilliant. It is now time for us to look at some green word cards. The cards are green because Freddie the Frog is green, and that means that we can Fred talk the words. It's very difficult to find words that actually have the x sound at the beginning. Usually the x sound is in the middle or at the end. So today our x sounds are at the end of our words. So we need to remember them when we get to those eventually. Let's have a go at Fred talking. Ready, steady, Fred. Ox. Fox. Fox. I had a fox in my garden yesterday. Ready, steady, Fred. Box. 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 Wonderful. Okay, now we are going to have a look at our red words. When it's red, you cannot Fred. That means we can't Fred talk the words, we just do our best to remember them. Let's have a look. Some of you might have remembered these because we have looked at them before. He. They. Last one. So. Fantastic. Now we are going to look at our alien words. We do try to find out what they mean, but we can't find out what they mean. We just have to have a go at Fred talking and see what we come up with at the end. Let's have a look. Ready, steady, Fred. Ix. Ricks. I don't know. Ready, steady, Fred. Dove. Not a clue. Ready, steady, Fred. Zib. Zib. No, I really don't know what they mean. Can you please turn to somebody nearby and say, what a load of nonsense? Thank you. Right, okay, now we are going to look at pinching out our fingers to find out how many sounds are in our green words today. I will ask you to hide your hands behind your back and then show me on your fingers how many sounds. Let's have a look at the first word. Ready, steady, Fred. B-ox. Box. Hands behind your backs. And show me how many sounds in the word box. There are 3 sounds in the word box. Well done. Could you count out 3 fingers for me, please? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Tickle your noses. Get your pinchers ready. Meep, meep. Box. B-ox. Box. Fantastic. Right. Get ready for the next one. Ready, steady, Fred. Ox. Fox. Fox. Hands behind your back and show me how many sounds in the word fox. 3. Well done. Can you count out 3 fingers for me, please? 1, 2, 3. Tickle your noses. Get your pinchers ready. Meep, meep. Fox. Ox. Fox. Fox. Well done. Right, okay, now we are going to have a go at writing a sentence. I'm going to write a sentence that has one of those words in it. Actually, I'm going to write a sentence that's got 2 of those words in it. I'm going to write, the fox is in the box. Oh my goodness, there are 6 words in that sentence. But we are very clever here. We know what we're doing, don't we? The fox is in the box. The fox is in the box. Now, that rhymes, doesn't it? Fox, box. Who'd have thought it? Now, we're writing the fox is in the box. The first word in my sentence is the word the. Not remember, not the. So we need to remember that because it's a red word. We need to remember it's a t and a h and an e. The. The next word I'm writing is fox. Fox. But before I do that, I need to leave a finger space. How did we read the word fox? What sounds do it? F, ox, fox. The fox is. I'm leaving a finger space because I'm writing my next word, is. What's the sound at the beginning of is? Is. The fox is in. That's my next word. I'm leaving a finger space and I'm writing the word in. We know both the sounds in that word. In. I've run out of room. So because I've run out of room over there, I'm just going to carry on with my sentence under here, starting over this side again. The fox is in the. Oh, look, I've already written the once, but I need to write it again. The fox is in the. Can you remember what he was in? Or she? Box. I'm not going to forget my finger space. I'm writing the word box. Box. I finished my sentence. What do I need at the end of my sentence, everybody? A full stop. You're with me all the way, aren't you? There's my full stop. Just a little dot, not a big blob. The fox is in the box. Right, make sure you've got your pen or pencil and your paper ready, and I would like you to have a go at writing that sentence all by yourself. The fox is in the box. Off you go, pause me, and then come back in a minute and show me what you've done. How did you do? The fox is in the box. The fox is in the box. Can you show me your work, please? Hold it right up to your camera on your computer. Let me have a look. The fox is in the box. They look terrific. Lovely, neat writing. We're doing beautifully. Can you give yourselves a hip hooray? That brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you again at the next one. Bye bye for now.